Yeah, it's good. I definitely recognize it. This is
Really?
I definitely have had this before, but in a different form.
हेलो हाय नमस्कार मु स्वागतिका आपन को मो ओडिया चैनल को स्वागत करछि। आज मोर गोटे भल सांगटे आसी छोट सांगटे जाकि आम ऑफिस रु मते आज छाड़े को आसे कि आसला तो हठात आसला तो कौन खाया को देबी तो ता पई हमर जेति कि देसी खाद्य घरे थिला ताकू देली ताकू समोसा देली आउ से समोसा खाइला ताकू भल लागला स्पाइसी किंतु समोसा एते स्पाइसी थिला तो ताकू पानी टिके कोक टिके जूस टिके टिके से खाइला तापरे ताकू देली आमर ओडिसार जो मिठा आसला मिठा टिके देली मिठा कौन तो खाइली से आउ पनीर बटर मसाला सहित नान नान सहित ताकू कश्मीरी पुलाव देखा से खाई के कौन कहूची माइकल हाउ यू फील
There, it is very good. It is very overwhelming, but it is so nice as well.
You can have it, just enjoy. Any other time when you'll come, I will make pure authentic Odia dishes.
Yes.
You can have fish, you can have, I can do chicken also for you.
Yeah.
In different varieties of fish, I can do it for you.
That's really
Dalma,
nice.
bhato, khata, everything you can have it. Pure authentic Odia dish, okay?
Yeah, very much looking forward to that.
Because this time is very late time and you know I didn't cook much.
Yeah.
So I thought this is your dinner time, so
Yeah, it's really nice to do all this.
yes.
So thank you.
So finally you enjoyed. When you will finish this spicy one, you can have this Odisha famous sweet. That
Okay.
is Rasagolla. We call it Rasagolla, this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Rasagolla is, I think, if you search in Google, you will find Rasagolla.
Okay.
This is also made with paneer,
So
sugar
our
syrup.
cushions from milk products, so largely the major ingredients in milk and milk related products.
Okay. Just mixing everything together.
Yeah.
I enjoy this
ଭାତ
like.
ସହିତ ସେ ମିକ୍ସ କରିଦେଲା ତାର କ'ଣ କହିଲେ ଭାତ ସହିତ ତାର
Yeah, try whatever we like.
Yeah.
but it's a good try Michael.
Yeah.
Good try.
But
You like
Wonderful.
samosa?
Yeah,
Michael?
I love the well, I'm gonna butcher this somehow. The chutney, is it that?
Yeah,
one?
chutneys. Yeah,
Very
pudina
good.
chutneys.
Yeah, I like that.
You like that? Okay, you can have it.
It's still very spicy.
Spicy. You like spicy or not?
Yeah, I do love spiciness.
He's doing. This one is a sweet one. And
This is it is very hot. Like it's
That
not-
is hot.
Not the spicy hot, but like the hot.
yeah, your coke is here. And when you'll finish, you can have this pan.
This is a 3-course meal. 5 stars. 5 stars. I haven't even tried half the meals.
Yeah.
Also, so what do I do with this?
You can have. This is the curries.
That's the curry.
Funny.
Put that on the rice.
Yeah, it's up to you. You can take naan and eat.
Yeah, like it's not like you know how to eat a different culture of food or whatever.
Yeah, you
It's-
can
it's
have. This is
very-
all the sweet one. This is Kashmiri pulao, and this is paneer butter masala, and that is naan.
So
Yeah.
I can put this on the.
Yeah. It's up to you. Yeah.
I'll put it on both.
Yeah. Just try. माइकेल को आमर ओडिशार सब खाद्य भल लगिला ओडिशार तो कहि परिबिनी किंतु मु ताकु सिंगड़ा देली आ आमर ओडिशार फेमस पिकलानंद करक रसगोल्ला भी से खाइला ताकु बहुत भल लगिला घरे जहाँ टिके टिके जिनस थिला मु ताकु ही गरम करके सांगे सांगे दे देली आपण जानिछंती जदि ओडिशा रे के जने अतिथि आम घर को आसंती आम घरे जहाँ भी टिके थाउ आमे ताकु निहाती आमे ताकु सर्व करके दउ आ सेटा बहुत खुशी भी लागे आनंद लागे ता भितरे से ओडिशार भाषा भी किछि शिखिया को चाहिला मो ना ता ना मते भी नानी डाकिला सेटा बहुत मते मजा लागिला तार से जो छोट कहवा जो शैली आमर ओडिया जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलियन जदि ओडिशा रे कथा कहे ओडिया कथा कहे सेटा केते भल लागिवो कहले आ ताकु मु सिखेली आ से भी खुशी रे ताकु सिखिला सेटा भी मते बहुत ही भल लागिला
Like what? So your whole what? How do you pronounce like your whole name as well? Like
स्वागतिका
Swagatika.
या
Swagatika. That's nice.
एक स्वागतिका नानी
Swagatika nani.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
So this is healthy actually. This is very healthy. This is actually, we call it as an appetizer.
We call it papad.
Papad. It been served at the beginning, so
Ah.
for you it has been turned
No,
around.
it's fine. It's fine. You know, there's no right way to eat anyway.
Yeah, because you just came.
is a
It's not the proper.
Should have started with this, you know.
Yeah. Still, you have sweets and lassi.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
might have to get to those because I don't know if my stomach will be able to.
You can have this lassi. You can have the lassi. Not a problem. Yeah. Sweets is okay. It's up to you whether you can have one
Then
or
you can
two.
Take it.
You can take it to home. You can give it to your mommy.
Is there any way to have these?
Yeah, you can have one.
Just have them?
Yeah, have.
Okay.
Ooh. I recognize. So what is because I taste like almost like a sauce or something. So what is that?
There's sugar syrup.
Yeah. So it's jaggery or sugar.
Sugar syrup.
Syrup. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is something. Yeah. This is.
This is the authentic Odia dish. This is raskata.
Yeah, this is
Chena gaja.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Because this tastes. I very much recognize. This tastes very similar to what I was talking about before. That dessert.
Okay.
Are rasmalai
Like the
khaikiba?
texture. I really like the texture of it.
Okay.
And the sweetness of of the sauce and all that, and this very much tastes like almost like.
Yeah.
I love this.
Oh, really?
I should have.
Then I will get one packet for you when I'll go to Sydney. I'll get a full packet, just
Yeah,
like
are
a
you
box.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. I will get it.
Oh,
I will
that's
tell
so
my.
nice.
Yeah, actually, just recently they opened the center, like shop online, and they bring from Orissa. This is an authentic Odia sweet. Person who is making is Pikalananda Kara.
Prepared fresh.
Yes, really. If you get the fresh one, it's really a very good one. ତାକୁ ସବୁ ଟାଇପ୍ର ମିଠା ଦେଲି ତାକୁ ଟୋଟାଲ୍ 4 ପ୍ରକାର ଯେଉଁ ସିନିରୁ ମିଠା ଆଣିଥିଲି ତାକୁ ହିଁ ଦେଲି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଆଉ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ସବୁଠୁ ତାକୁ କ୍ଷୀରମୋହନଟା ବହୁତ ହି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ତାକୁ ସେ ଗଜାଟା ଆଉ ସବୁଠୁ ଖାଇସାରିଲା ପରେ ସେ ପୁରା ଟାୟାର୍ଡ଼ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା କହିଲା କ'ଣ ଆଉ ଖାଇବି ଆଉ କେଉଁଟା ଆଉ ଛାଡ଼ିବି ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ତାକୁ ଲସି ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆଉ ସେ ଲସି ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲି କି ତାକୁ ଦହିଟା କେମିତି ହୁଏ ଆଉ ଆମେ ଏଇଟାକୁ କେମିତି କ'ଣ କରିକି ଲସି ବନାଉ ତାର ବି ତାକୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୋର ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ତାକୁ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ବୁଝାଉଥାନ୍ତି କେମିତି ହୁଏ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଏଥିରେ ମିଶିଥାଏ ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ତାକୁ ଆମର ଏଇଠି ଶର୍ମା ୟୋଗର୍ଟ ମିଳିଥାଏ ସେଇଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇଲି ଆଉ ଦୁଇଟାର ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଫିଲ୍ କରେଲି ଯେଉଁ ଗ୍ରୀକ୍ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ ୟୋଗର୍ଟ ଆଉ ଶର୍ମାର ଯେଉଁ ୟୋଗର୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେଇଟାକି ଦେଖେଇଲି ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଶର୍ମା ୟୋଗର୍ଟଟା ବହୁତ ହି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କଥା କାରଣ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଥାଏ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଥାଏ ଆମ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ୍ ଭିତରେ ବହୁତ ହି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଥାଏ କିନ୍ତୁ ଖାଇବା ଯାହା ବି ହେଲେ ନିଜର ସ୍ୱାଦର କଥା ତାକୁ ସେଇ ଭିତରେ ସେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରି ଦେଖିଲା ତାକୁ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ଦହି ବସା ଦହି ବସଉ ସେଇଟା ସେମିତି ଏଇଠି ଶର୍ମା ୟୋଗର୍ଟରେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ଖାଇକି ତାକୁ ବହୁତ ହି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ସବୁ ଖାଇସାରିଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ ବହୁତ ହି ମଜା ଲାଗିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ବହୁତ ଆପ୍ରିସିଏସନ୍ ବି କଲା ଆଉ 5 ଷ୍ଟାର ରେଟିଂ ଦେଲା ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନିଜକୁ ବହୁତ ମନ ସନ୍ତୁଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିଲା ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଭାଷାରେ ସେ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲା ତା ନାଁ ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଭାଷା କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ମୋ ନାଁ ମାଇକେଲ
Mona Michael.
Wow, good. Very good. ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଖାଇବା ମୋତେ ଖାଇବା ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା
I do not know if I can say let's slow down a bit.
Okay. ମୋତେ
Mate,
ଓଡ଼ିଆ
Oya,
ଖାଇବା
Hyla.
ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଭଲ
Wait. That's-
ଭଲ ଭଲ
Wait, is it Polo or Molo? Molo?
ଭଲ ଭ
Hola?
ଲାଗିଲା
Lagila.
Yes.
I did something. Woo, what did I say?
My name is Michael. I love Odia food.
Nice.
Thumbs up to you.
Yeah. Normally the first thing that someone tries to teach me in another language is to say something really obscene as a funny joke, you know?
No. We are not like.
It is
You know,
I'm so used to that kind of thing.
No. We are not like that type of couple.
No.
We are very sober.
from
someone just from meeting them once, and honestly, you two are really, really friendly. Like,
yeah, that's what I like to hear actually.
yeah.
Thanks for the compliments actually.
To be entirely, I've kind of been like looking back through my mind, and like, I honestly do not know if I've met anyone as like accommodating as you, other than like actual like close family that I've known my entire life.
Oh,
It's really saying something. You're wonderful people.
yeah,
We
thank
should
you.
host these things way more often.
Yeah.
I will advocate for this. I will advocate for this. I will sell the idea. You know, go to Swag. Wait, I can do this.
Yeah, Jess want to come to my house, but most of the time she's busy. Hopefully she will be free and she can come this Friday. I'm not sure.
We just have the staff Christmas party here, you know?
Yeah. ସବୁ ଖାଇସାରିଲା ତାପରେ ଏବେ ଚାଲିଲା ସେ ହାତ ଧୋଇବା ପାଇଁ। ହାତ ଧୋଇକି ଆସିଲା ପରେ ସେ ତାର ଫିଡ଼ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଦେଲା ଆମ ଘରକୁ ଆସିକି ତାକୁ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ଆଉ ସବୁ କହିଲା ସେ। ସିଏ ଏବେ ଭାବିବ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିବ।
Really hard because like I'll give all of these like either a 9 or a 10.
Okay. But
Is it okay if I take multiple things? I love the rice. Two,
Yeah.
I love the curry. The naan. You know what? The naan was probably the best. It was probably the best naan I've ever had.
Okay.
Okay.
What about the sweet and lassi?
I love. You know, can I just say I loved it?
Yeah, it's okay.
I loved all of it.
It's okay, no worries. Okay.
It's I can't really debate. If I was to say best condiment, it would be what's this called again?
The chutney.
ସବୁର ଫିଡ଼ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଦେଲା କୋଉଟା 10 କୋଉଟା 9 କୋଉଟା 8 ତାପରେ ସେ କହିଲା ମଲ୍ଟିପୁଲ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଦେଇପାରିବି ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ସବୁଠୁ ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ପୁଦିନା ଚଟନି ସେ ପଚାରିଲା ଏଇଟା କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣୁଛୁ ଯଦି ତମେ ଆଣିବ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଆଣିଦେବ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପଇସା ଦେବି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସିଡନୀ ଯିବି ମୁଁ ତୋ ପାଇଁ ନିହାତି ଆଣିବି ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଭଲ ହିଁ ଲାଗିଲା ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଥିଲା କମ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଛୁଆଟିର କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଆଉ ଆମର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇକି ତାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କଲା ରାତି 10ଟା ହେଲାଣି ତଥାପି ସେ ଘରକୁ ଯାଉନଥାଏ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ଲେଟ୍ ହେଲାଣି ତୁ ଘରକୁ ଯା ତୋ ଘର ଲୋକ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହେଉଥିବେ ତାପରେ ସେ ଫାଇନାଲି ସବୁ କରିକି ସେ ଏବେ ଚାଲିଲା ଘରକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଇ ବ୍ଲଗ୍ଟି କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ମୋତେ ନିହାତି କହିବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଆହୁରି ବହୁତ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତି ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଟାଇମ୍ କମ୍ରେ ଆସିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇୟର୍ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିବି ଆଶା କରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ମିଶିକି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯେଉଁଠି କାମ କରୁଛି ଖାଲି ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆନ୍ ସେ ଇଏ ସବୁଠୁ ଛୋଟ 18 ବର୍ଷର ପିଲାଟି କାମ କରୁଛି ଆଉ ସବୁଠୁ ଭଲ କଥା ହେଲା ସେ ପାଦର ମାନେ ତଳେ ଜୋତାଟା ଖୋଲିକି ଆସିଲା ଯେଉଁଟାକି ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ସେ ଆମ କଲଚର ଟ୍ରାଡ଼ିସନ୍କୁ ମାନେ ବୁଝିଲା ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଜୋତାଟା ଖୋଲିକି ବି ଆସିଲା ସେଇଟା ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ହି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟେ ହେଲେ କ'ଣ ତା ବୁଦ୍ଧି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଆଉ ଭଲ ଟାଇମ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହେଲା ତା ସହିତ ମୋ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ବି ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଲେ ଆଉ ଆମର ଏଇ ବ୍ଲଗ୍ଟି କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା କହିବେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ ଆଉ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବେ ମୋ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍କୁ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ବ୍ଲଗ୍ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଟିଲ୍ ଦେନ୍ ରହିଲି ଶୁଭରାତ୍ରି ନମସ୍କାର ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ